The 2024 Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association Congress, held in Gweru, was not just an electoral process, it was a powerful exhibition of democracy in motion. For all the thunderous press remarks delivered by Ambassador Christopher Mutsvangwa, the ballot box offered a sobering reality check. Ndisanapira mashoko mafresh attacks akuonekwa panapa nemafriends aDr. Taguri achatoka kuna Christopher Mutsvangwa vachitaura nhau yeCongress yakaitwa muGweru. Panoonekwa kunzi Christopher Mutsvangwa ndo paakaluza those elections. Panguva ine vakushandisa those events ndo vanyatso kuataka Christopher Mutsvangwa anoonekwa kunzi ari kuzama kuloka kuda kwaShe Taguri ku-option into the Central Committee. Sambira mashoko anobuda nyuka panguva ine ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Topinda paende mafriends aTaguri anobudanyora chiti when a democracy speaks, it speaks loud. Here is how the vote unfolded. Comrade Ngube emerged with a staggering 294 votes, a decisive endorsement by all veterans. Comrade Albert Ngube secured 90 votes. Ambassador Victor Matemadanda, currently serving in Mozambique, received 75 votes, and Ambassador Mutsvangwa just 11 votes, a distant echo in a chamber full of resolute voices. The irony that can be ignored: Comrade Mutsvangwa has been busy in press conferences, labeling Vice President Chiwenga and Dr. Kudakwashi Taguri as unelectable, illiterate, and accusing them of using resources to climb to the party ladder. Yet in Gweru and Norton, voters delivered a clear response. He himself remains unelected, unsupported, and increasingly irrelevant to the grassroots base he claims to speak for, a history of unelectability. Let it be noted, Comrade Chris Mutsvangwa has never won a free and fair internal election. His strength lies in microphones, not mandates, and while he positions himself as a gatekeeper of integrity, the very people whose legacy he invokes have now rejected him resoundingly. Lessons from Gweru. Democracy is thriving in ZANU-PF and its affiliates. Those who vote speak louder than those who shout. In South End, enumerators don't build relationship, trust, performance, and unity. Ndo mashoko anobuda panguva ino ari kushandiswa nemafriends kuda kwaShe Taguri vachiataka Christopher Mutsvangwa vachimuti Christopher Mutsvangwa ayo anogona kutaura pamike chete, but kana kuri kudwa nevanhu hapana, haasati akambohwina a free and fair election. Ndo mashoko ari kuitaurwa panapa nemafriends aDr. Taguri panguva ino achiataka Christopher Mutsvangwa. Birangu masection medu mudza mafunguro enyu motikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.